Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing of the Colmi P8 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing of the Colmi P8 Smartwatch. Alright, so I actually bought this one for around $14, or that's around 700 pesos. So I bought this one on Shopee. And guys, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm not affiliated to any smartwatch company. So alright, so guys, this is the box. So wow, this is a nice packaging from Colmi, and then it has a big word here which says watch right on the sides. So we have smartwatch, and there's also basic parameters, the fit download. So screen type, that's 1.4 inches TFT. Battery capacity, it's 170 milliamperes. Protection degree, it's IPX7 or IP67. System requirement, iOS 8 or Android 5.1 and above. And on the other side, there's also dynamic heart rate, all day activity, message reminder, and yes. And at the back, so it says here, so you should not apply excessive skincare products to the wrist with bracelet. Alright, so and some instructions here. So guys, let's unbox it. Ta-da! And upon opening the box, there's the manual here, the typical manual that we have. Okay, so it's in Chinese. Alright, and I think there's also in English here. So if you have any problems, just refer to your manual. Okay, so it's easier for you to connect your smartwatch. Right, so let's set this aside. And okay, so this is the charger. So this is like a dock style, like the iWatch, and I think this is also like magnet. So here it is. Okay, so let's set this aside, and boom, we have here our smartwatch in gold color. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you guys, my first impression is it's kind of heavy, guys. Yeah, it is not the typical smartwatch that we unbox here in our channel, which is usually very light, but this one is kind of heavy and it feels premium. And the sides, yeah, here it is. So this is like the button here, and there's, I'm not sure what this is, but there's a kind of protection here, so maybe we can remove it. Yes. And okay, I think it's made of metal, guys, and the strap is also really good looking. Okay, and we also have here the sensors, I believe, and the charging pins here. And then it has also a tempered glass which is installed, so let's just build it out. And boom, wow guys, I never expect to have this smartwatch with this price range. And let's try to check. I'm not sure, guys, if we really can remove the strap, but the strap looks really premium and feels premium, guys. This is so good, and it really is heavy. So let's try to turn it on if there's some battery left. And okay, so upon turning it on, so there's like a vibration on that, and we are greeted with this home screen. So it has the time there, the date, and I believe this is the heart rate and the kcal and the steps. Okay, so let's try to browse. So when you swipe up, so you have here the steps. So let's click on that, right? And the kcal. And we also have the message. Okay, so it says empty. So we can do more. We can test that later on. And then there's also sleep here. Okay. And there's also health, your blood pressure. So let's try to check. Okay, so the sensor is working. And then it says here, it can detect, guys, if we are not really wearing it. So it says here, please wear it. So let's check, guys, our blood pressure. Okay, so that's 123/70, guys, which is normal for our our health. So okay, there's also heart rate as well. Okay, so it's 89 beats per minute. And we also have the SpO2. So can you see the sensor is really working, guys? And it says 97. Wow. Okay, and there's also training. So let's check here, training. So there's like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, and football. So yeah, we will try that later on, guys. And there's also weather here. So I think you have to sync it to your smartwatch. There's music and brightness. So you can increase, guys, when you tap it. So can you see the brightness will increase whenever you tap it. And there's camera also. So unconnected. So we will also test that one. Okay, so let's just remove the watch so that we can properly see it. And we have the S watch. So I think this is like the timer, guys, like this one. Okay, and we also have the flashlight. Okay, so wow, like it's not really like the typical flashlight, but maybe when you really just have to look for something in the dark, then it can help you as well. And let's click on more. Okay, more. Where's more? Okay, there's also watch face, guys. Wow, I never expected that this watch could have the watch face. So let's check on it. Okay, so this is the watch face, guys, the watch faces. So one, okay, we have here two, which is the analog style. And 3, there's a balloon with the digital style on it. And only 3 watch faces, guys, we have. Alright, so let's go back. And then there's power off, restart, reset, and about. This is the information of the watch. And that's basically it. So wow, okay, I think I'm saying lots of wow, but I'm really amazed, guys, with this smartwatch with just around $14. You can already say that you can get a premium feel smartwatch, and the strap is really nice. Okay, and let's try to charge this, guys. Okay, so we have here our wire. Okay, guys, so let's just connect this one here, and let's place the watch, okay, facing to the magnet, and boom. And as you can see, it is already charging, guys. Okay, now with my initial review and my impression of this smartwatch is it is really good, guys, for the price, and it feels premium, and I think this is, so far, this is good for the price, and it's nice to wear. Yes, and I will say this is really nice. What can I say more? Okay, and then the charging dock it's really also good, so it's very convenient. I've never unboxed any Colmi smartwatch yet, and this is my first time, and I think they're really promising smartwatches out there. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and also let me know what you think about this smartwatch. Okay, so again, guys, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.